Hi, my name is John Hogan. I was a studio assistant for Sol LeWitt working on the wall drawings roughly since the early 80s. We were good friends, and I came to work for him essentially initially to work out, to help on a project, and it became a vocation. And over the years, I've traveled extensively installing the wall drawings pretty much every continent on the United States, with the United States, Europe, Central America, etc., and came to fully understand and appreciate the content of the work and many of the ideas that he was trying to address. I was very much interested in the notion of the conceptual art, that he created a plan that allowed for a collaboration with local artists under the supervision of somebody from the studio who was familiar with the materials and methods of Sol's work. Installed roughly 400 of his wall drawings, many of them several times. Subsequently, after Sol's death, I came to work for Yale University, organizing and maintaining the archive of the Sol LeWitt wall drawings. So it's part of the Yale University Art Museum, and in this particular project, I'm here simply to oversee how the works are installed. There's 4 studio assistants that have extensive experience working for Sol over the years. One from Helsinki, one from Berlin, one from Belgium, and one from the United States. And we come here to work with roughly 15 to 16 local artists to install these wall drawings.